Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to open on a positive note driven by several factors. FIIs have turned net buyers after selling for the last 37 trading sessions. Additionally, falling oil prices, which have dropped to a one-month low of $72 per barrel and a record high close in the US market, is providing boost to the market. To start with our first segment for Tuesday, 26th of November 2024, Nifty index opened gap up by almost 350 points and moved to 24,315 marks, after which it witnessed some cool-off from its highs but managed to close near its opening levels with gains of around 300 points. It formed a small-bodied candle on the daily frame and has started making higher highs, higher lows from the last couple of sessions. India VIX was down by around 5% to 15.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio slightly decreased to 1.11. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,700 to 24,700 zones, while immediate range is in between 24,000 to 24,500. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs broke their selling streak of the last 37 trading sessions and were net buyers to the tune of 9,950 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 6,900 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 36.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,150 for the next up move towards 24,500, while support can be seen at 24,000 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 52,000 for the next up move towards 53,000 levels, while support can be seen at 51,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Siemens, Ashok Leyland, Bank of Baroda, PNB, BEL, L&T, SBI, Laurus Labs, Granules, HDFC Bank, and Divi's Lab. While some weakness could be seen in Tata Power, Motherson, Vedanta, PI Industries, Voltas, HDFC Life, Dr. Reddy's, Asian Paint, and Bajaj Auto. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.